Welcome to this presentation of the internal structure of leaf. We'll explore the parts in a leaf structure and their function. Let's dive in. Leaves are essential organs of plants that perform critical functions like photosynthesis, gas exchange, and water regulation. The internal parts of a leaf include upper epidermis, palisade mesophyll, the spongy mesophyll, lower epidermis, stomata, and the vascular bundles. The upper epidermis. The upper epidermis is the outermost layer of the leaf, consisting of a single layer of tightly packed cells. Its primary function is to protect the inner tissues of the leaf while allowing light to penetrate. Additionally, it is covered by a waxy cuticle that helps minimize water loss through evaporation. Beneath the upper epidermis lies the palisade mesophyll, a layer composed of elongated cells rich in chloroplast. This layer is the main site of photosynthesis, thanks to the high concentration of chloroplast. The vertical arrangement of cells maximizes light absorption, making this layer highly efficient at capturing sunlight. The spongy mesophyll, located below the palisade mesophyll, consists of loosely packed, irregularly shaped cells with fewer chloroplasts. This layer facilitates gas exchange, allowing oxygen and carbon dioxide to move freely, as well as the movement of water vapor. The large intercellular spaces within this layer aid in efficient gaseous diffusion. The lower epidermis is similar in structure to the upper epidermis but contains more stomata. These stomata are pores that facilitate gas exchange. Each stoma is flanked by guard cells, which regulate its opening and closing based on environmental conditions, ensuring proper gas exchange and water regulation. Let's take a moment to test your understanding of what we've covered so far. Please choose the correct answers to the following questions. Stomata are small pores found primarily on the lower epidermis, flanked by two guard cells. These structures play a crucial role in regulating gas exchange and transpiration. The guard cells surrounding each stoma adjust its opening and closing in response to environmental conditions, ensuring optimal gas exchange and water regulation. Vascular bundles, or veins, are crucial for the transport of water, nutrients, and food within the leaf. They consist of xylem, which transports water and minerals from roots to leaves, and phloem, which carries synthesized food to other parts of the plant. These vascular bundles are also surrounded by bundle sheath cells, providing structural support to the leaf. The internal structure of the leaf is adapted to optimize its functions. The thin structure of the leaf reduces the distance for the diffusion of gases. Numerous chloroplasts in the palisade mesophyll ensure maximum photosynthesis. Intercellular air spaces in the spongy mesophyll facilitate efficient gas exchange, and the cuticle reduces water loss through evaporation. Let's take a moment to test your understanding of what we've covered so far. Please choose the correct answers to the following questions. In summary, the internal structure of a leaf is finely tuned to perform essential functions like photosynthesis, gas exchange, and water regulation. Key structures, including the upper and lower epidermis, palisade and spongy mesophyll, stomata, and vascular bundles, all contribute to these functions. Adaptations like a thin structure, numerous chloroplasts, intercellular air spaces, and a cuticle help optimize the efficiency of these processes. Thanks for watching. To deepen your understanding of any topic, explore our comprehensive resources, including revision notes, past questions, gamified quizzes, and workbooks. These tools are designed to help you master the concept effectively and enjoyably.